Now in this video I will explain you how to find out the derivative using logarithmic formulas. Derivative using logarithmic formulas. Now what are the formulas that will be useful for this exercise? Log mn equal to log m plus log n. Log m divided by n equal to log m minus log n. Log m to the power n equal to n log m. So these are the three formulas that will be useful for this exercise. Now where we can use this logarithmic method? Whenever you get the question is in the form of function to the power function or variable to the power variable. Whenever you get the question in terms of variable to the power variable or function to the power function, there we can use these logarithmic formulas. For a given complicated equation which is present in the form of u by v or u into v, for a complicated equation also, for a complicated problem also, we can use these logarithmic formulas. Now let's start with one example. Simple one. If y is equal to x to the power x, find dy by dx. See, x to the power x, variable to the power variable. X is involved in the base and x is involved in the power also. Variable, power, variable, right? X is involved in the base as well as x is involved in the power. Variable to the power variable. So what is the procedure? How to solve this problem? See, by any other method we cannot solve. See, you can apply chain rule, we cannot solve. You can use the substitution method, we cannot solve by this problem by using this substitution method. Any other method is not applicable. See, variable to the power variable, variable to the power variable. Whenever you get the question in terms of variable to the power variable, how you will identify that it is a variable? See, x is involved in the base, x is involved in the power, x is involved in base, x is involved in the power. So this is a question where we have to apply the logarithmic formula to find out the value of dy by dx. So what is the procedure? Taking log on both the sides, taking log on left hand side as well as log on right hand side. Log y is equal to log x to the power x. Log y equal to log x to the power x. Log y is equal to log m to the power n. Log m to the power n. What is the formula of log m to the power n? Log m to the power n is equal to n log m. So applying that formula, log y is equal to x log x, x log x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of log y with respect to dx, derivative of x log x with respect to dx. Again listen to the procedure. See, y is equal to x to the power x. See, variable and power variable. X is present in the base as well as x is present in the power. Base and power. See, x is present in the base as well as in the power. So variable to the power variable. So this is a case where we have to apply the logarithmic method or logarithmic formulas. Any other method will not be applicable here. So what is the procedure? Taking log on both the sides, log y is equal to log x to the power x. So x log x, log m to the power n, n log m. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of log y with respect to x, derivative of x log x with respect to x. Now see how to find out the derivative of c. In the left hand side there is a derivative symbol, the right hand side derivative symbol. First we will discuss about the left hand side, log y with respect to x. According to implicit equations, derivative of log y cannot be solved, differentiated with respect to dx. So multiplying and divide with dy. So derivative of log y with respect to dy, dy by dx. Now here all the x terms are there. So u into v, derivative of u into v plus derivative of v into u. Log y with respect to dy, it is 1 by y, dy by dx. Derivative of x is equal to 1, 1 into log x is equal to log x. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x into x. So now 1 by y dy by dx is equal to log x plus 1, and dy by dx is equal to y into log x plus 1. So now y, 1 by y, taking y to the other side, y is divided here, y will be multiplied. So y log x plus 1. Now dy by dx equal to y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to x to the power x. So substituting the value of y, x to the power x log x plus 1. So this is the answer. Again, listen, see where you have to apply this, where you have to use these logarithmic formulas. Whenever variable power variable is there, x to the power x, again I am telling you, base contains x as well as the power contains x. Base contains x and the power is also is a function of x, right? Next, second example, see, if y equal to sin x to the power 10x, again sin x function of x, tan x function of x, base contains x and power also contains x, sin x power 10x. Find dy by dx. Again the procedure will remain the same. Whenever you identify variable, function, power function, function of x, power function of x, there is no other method left other than this logarithmic method. So taking log on both the sides, taking log on both the sides, log y is equal to log sin x to the power 10x. Taking log on both the sides, see, whenever you identify that it is a variable to the power variable, function of x, power function of x is there, no other, any other method will not be applicable to that, those type of problems. Only logarithmic formula you have to use. So log on both the side, log y equal to log sin x to the power 10x. So log y is equal to log m power n, 10x log sin x. Derivative of log y with respect to x, derivative of 10x into log of sin x. So derivative of log y with respect to dx, multiply and divide with dy, derivative of log y with respect to dy, dy by dx. Then 10x u into v, u into v, so derivative of u, log y derivative is 1 by y into dy by dx, then derivative of u into v, derivative of v into u. Now, yes, derivative of 10x is sec square x into log sin x plus derivative of log sin x. If you remember chain rule correctly, log theta 1 by theta into derivative of sin x is equal to cos x multiplied with 10x. So after simplifying, it is sec square x equal into log sin x plus 1. So 1 by y dy by dx equal to sec square x log sin x plus 1. Only dy by dx is equal to, y is divided here, so y multiplied, y into sec square x log sin x plus 1. So what is the value of y? Value of y equal to sin x power 10x. Now this is the answer of question number 2. So whenever variable, power variable, function of x, power function of x is there, we can apply this, we can use these logarithmic formulas to find out the differentiation. Again, what is the second part? Second part is the complicated equation. See, which type of equation? See, y is equal to x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 whole square, x plus 3 whole cube, x minus 4 power 5, right? Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx, right? So for these type of problems also you can apply u by v rule, but that will be very complicated, right? Now y equal to x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2 whole square, x plus 3 whole cube, x minus 4 whole power 5. So applying log, taking log on both the sides, see how the problem will be solved easily. Log y equal to log x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2 whole square divided by x plus 3 whole cube, x minus 4 whole 5. Look at the right hand side, how it is simplified. Log m divided by n. So what is the formula? Log m divided by n, log m minus log n. Now see, look at the individual parts. Log x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 whole square, log m into n. So log m plus log n. See, first log m divided by n, so it is log m minus log n. Then log mn, log m plus log n. Then minus, here also same thing, log mn, log m plus log n. Now see individual part, there are 4 parts now. Individual part, log x minus 1 whole square, it is 2 log x minus 1, log m power n log m, 2 log x minus 1, plus log m power n, 2 log x minus 2, minus log m to the power n, 3 log x plus 3. Then plus into minus is minus log m to the power n, 5 log x minus 4. Now it is simplified. Now differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of log y with respect to x, derivative of 2 log x minus 1 with respect to x, plus 2 derivative of log x minus 2 with respect to dx, minus 3 derivative of log x plus 3 dx, minus 5 derivative of log x minus 4 dx. Now so in the left hand side it is 1 by y dy by dx. Then derivative of 2 log x minus 1, 2 log x minus 1 dx, 2 is a constant, log theta 1 by x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 1, which is equal to 1. So what is the value we are getting? 2 by x minus 1, 2 by x minus 2, minus 3 by x minus x plus 3, minus 5 by x minus